Have you ever daydreamed about wandering through the historic streets of Kyoto or marveling at Tokyo's neon lights, but then sighed at the thought of how much it would cost? Well, what if I told you that traveling in Japan could be surprisingly affordable? Today, we're going to break down how you can experience the wonders of Japan, from its ancient temples to its futuristic cities, all on a budget that won't make your wallet weep. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss these insider tips that could turn your dream trip into a reality. This video is packed with practical advice, from scoring cheap flights and accommodations to eating deliciously on a dime. So, hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the ultimate budget traveler's guide to Japan. Imagine this. You're in the heart of Tokyo, a stone's throw away from all the action, and yet you're not fretting about your lodging costs. How, you ask? Let's dive into the world of budget accommodations in Japan. From the futuristic capsule hotels that promise a unique sleeping experience to the warm, inviting guest houses and vibrant hostels, Japan offers a plethora of options that won't require you to splurge. I remember my first night in a cozy little guest house in Kyoto. The owner, a kindly old lady, welcomed me with such warmth it felt like coming home. This isn't just about finding a place to sleep. It's about experiencing Japanese hospitality and culture firsthand, all while saving money. I'll show you how to use apps like Hostelworld and Booking.com to find these hidden gems. Trust me, with a little bit of research, you'll find places that add to your travel experience, not just your expenses. Next up, let's navigate the maze of Japan's public transport system without getting lost in high costs. The key here is planning and the right passes. The Japan Rail Pass, for example, can be a golden ticket for travelers, offering unlimited rides on most JR trains, including the Shinkansen bullet trains. Imagine zipping across the country, from the neon buzz of Tokyo to the tranquil beauty of Hiroshima, with just one pass. But it's not just about trains. Buses, ferries, and even bike rentals offer an affordable and scenic way to explore. I once took a bus to the remote villages of the Japanese Alps, and the views were nothing short of breathtaking. I'll take you through a step-by-step comparison of different transportation options, helping you choose what's best for your journey. Remember, the goal is to explore Japan to the fullest without spending a fortune on getting from A to B. Food is the soul of travel, and in Japan, it's an adventure in itself. You might think that dining in Japan means pricey sushi and expensive restaurants, But I'll let you in on a secret. Some of the best meals I've had were from convenience stores and street food stalls. Yes, you heard right. From onigiri, rice balls, to bento boxes, the quality and variety will surprise you. And let's not forget the myriad of ramen shops where a bowl of steaming noodles won't cost you more than a few coins. Join me as I taste test my way through the streets, sharing tips on how to enjoy Japan's culinary delights without the hefty price tag. We'll explore local markets where the vibrant stalls not only offer fresh, affordable food, but also a taste of the local life. Eating on a budget in Japan doesn't mean compromising on taste. It means discovering flavors in places you'd least expect. Now, who says you need to spend money to enjoy Japan's rich culture and stunning landscapes? From the tranquil temples and shrines nestled in Kyoto's bamboo forests to the bustling streets of Tokyo's Shibuya and Shinjuku, many of Japan's most iconic sites don't cost a yen to explore. And let's not forget about the natural beauty. Mountain hikes, park visits, and beach days are all free. I'll share with you how to find these spots, the best times to visit to avoid the crowds, and how to capture those perfect Instagram-worthy moments without the need for an expensive tour guide. It's all about knowing where to look and being open to the simple joys of exploration. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some essential tips and tricks to make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Understanding a bit of Japanese etiquette, like when to remove your shoes or how to properly greet someone, can go a long way in enriching your travel experience. And did you know that Japan is one of the few places where tipping isn't customary? That's right, excellent service without the extra cost. I'll also introduce you to some must-have apps and gadgets that will make navigating Japan a breeze, from translation tools to travel guides. Plus, insider tips on the best times and places to visit that only the locals know about. With these in your traveler's toolkit, you're all set to embark on an unforgettable journey through Japan, rich in experiences but not in expenses. As we come to the end of our journey, remember that traveling to Japan on a budget isn't just possible. It's a gateway to a more authentic and enriching experience. We've explored together how to save on accommodation, travel smartly, savor delicious meals affordably, enjoy free attractions, and navigate cultural nuances, all of which promises an adventure that's as kind to your wallet as it is exciting for your soul. So, what are you waiting for? Japan's blend of ancient tradition and modern marvels is calling. It's time to pack your bags, armed with the hacks and tips you've learned today, and dive into the adventure of a lifetime. And remember, the most valuable experiences often come without a hefty price tag. Safe travels, and may your journey through Japan be filled with wonder, joy, and discovery. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures around the globe. Sayonara, and see you in Japan.